T, press the red button.
Wow! Don't press it. I'm gonna do it. No! Don't touch it. Don't press it.
Beep! He presses it. Everything suddenly goes de-airc. Then, alarm sounds.
WHAAT?
Whoosh! The rocket blasts into space. Outside the window, candy planets, rainbow asteroids, dancing alien babies. Subscribe for part 2.
The space baby woke up!
Baby Noah gives him his teddy bear. The alien instantly smiles. Rainbow magic spreads through space.
Baby Noah saved the galaxy!
Don't press it. Level 2 unlocked. Should Noah press the BLAC button? Oak!